It's time to get those lips glossy clean.
This is Stream Beauty Factor here with another video. I'm pumping them out for y'all. I'm pumping them out for y'all. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. Woo, it's filming time. Alright guys, I'm back with another video. It's a different type of video. It is the FabFitFun video. I have a subscription with FabFitFun, and this is the fall box. I remember y'all, I was trying to tell y'all this box, but my content got deleted, so I didn't use all the stuff. Anyway, we gonna go on. We got the fall box now, guys. Oh my goodness, FabFitFun. Y'all know it's a seasonal box. You get it. What is it? Summer, winter, fall, and all that. So you get things that they give you and that's coming in the fall box, but you can add on to your box if you want more stuff. So I got a few add-ons and what stuff came in the box. Okay, so they give you, of course, you get your invoice, and then it packaged very well, and you get these little coupons, like if you want to do HelloFresh, that what came in. I'm like, if it's $80 off, how much is it? Oh, okay, I need to know. Oh. And then I tried this right here before. I'm thinking that I can use like $45 to get, I could, but you still have to pay the extra, and then they want to be a subscription. Nah, I don't drink wine like that. So no. And then you got here, you can share this with someone, their first FabFitFun box. It has a number, a number coupon. I'm going to give it to one of my friends. I might give it to my sister if she wants it. Yeah. So it has a $15 off. Let's get into the packaging. And then it has like a magazine in it. It's got different, it's got recipes. What else? Oh, they got the actual stuff that you have in the book, in your box. Cause I got this in the box. This one right here. If you can see it. So yeah, this is magazine. I gotta look in here. I haven't had time to look in it because I've been busy. But I'm gonna go through the box quickly and tell you what I have in it. And it doesn't have prices or anything. You have to go online and see the prices though. But I like this box better than I like BoxyCharm, but nothing against BoxyCharm. I feel like monthly, no. I had it before, but then I said, you know what? I'm just gonna do like seasonal. That kind of helps you with your budget, and plus I need a budget because I'm, my business, and we ain't going there. All right, let's keep going. Okay, first let me show y'all this right here, well packaged. This is a necklace because I already looked at it, y'all. It's nice. It's from Jenny Bird. Jenny Bird. Oh, ain't it? Oh God, I wish I could see it. Ain't that cute? I love that. Y'all, it look, it got good quality. Let me see. Let me put my glasses on, okay? Okay. Yeah. It's called Jenny Bird. It's nice. It looks like a little stone, herringbone stone or something. I ain't good at describing stuff, y'all, but it's nice. It's nice. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put this back in this. Oh, I love this casing. You put it in to protect it. It's nice. I really like it. They package their stuff very well. Okay. We're gonna put that back in here. Then we got here. It's called Crease Release. The Laundress New York removes wrinkles. And it's a spray item 6 inches away, safe for all fabrics and furnishings. Okay. Okay. But it don't tell you whether you still have to iron it or what. It don't tell you, because I tried it this morning on this shirt and it did get the wrinkles out. I'm gonna let y'all, I hope y'all can see right there. So yeah, it's called Crease Release. And then we have a Pumpkin Spice by Daniel Stone Perfume Room Spray. Everything's white, y'all. I'm sorry. Yes, let me spray it. Oh, pumpkin, girl, it starts smelling. Holiday. Woo. That smells so good. And then we have here, it's called Glow Milk by Beauty Crop and nourished with coconut and argan oil. And this is the box that it came in. It's real cute. Let me see if I open it. Let's see. I haven't opened anything. I waited until I did this video. So let's see what's in, how we open this thing. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. I thought it was for, it's a highlight kind of. Let's look at it. Let's try it. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, you can't use much. A little bit goes a long way, y'all. Oh, that's nice. Oh, let me rub it all the way in. Let's see how it does. You can use this on your skin. Oh. And it got argan oil and all that. Let me see. Coconut and argan oil. Oh, very good ingredients. Okay? Good for your skin. All right, I like this. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. And then we got here bubble wrap. It's called Skin Owl Juvea Skin Juice Super Bright Exfoliating Serum. Y'all, I love myself some serums now. It don't have a smell, and this how it look, y'all. So yes, I will let y'all know how it's going. I'm using some serums that I got from FabFitFun, and it's working very well for my skin. Girl, my lashes is not agreeing with these glasses. Okay, let's keep it moving, Because everybody know about Pixie. I think this is one of the add-ons that I did. This is a rose caviar essence, and it's rose grapeseed oil. And let's see, yeah, grapeseed oil. And this is use AM, PM. It says here it's cleansing and toning. Press gently onto the skin and neck, and let it absorb. So this right here is a serum as well, a moisture serum. Let me smell it. Do it have a smell? Of course, I gotta take this off. Oh yeah, smell like rose. Yes, it does smell like rose. This is that. And then we have Pixie as well. I always want to try Pixie, and this is another jasmine blend. Radiant Recovery. And this is what is it? Is this a serum too? Use AM PM. Warm a few drops in your hand, gently press into the skin. Use after cleansing and toning before moisturizing. Use anytime for extra skin boost by mixing 2 to 3 drops into a lotion or a cream. So you can mix this into a lotion and a cream, and it has a of course it got the dropper. Okay, all right, I gotta try all this stuff, girl. Y'all be skincare down. I'm really getting into skincare. Okay, and we got, y'all, it ain't finished. Okay. Okay, then we have, this came in this bag. This right here is a stress relief natural hair oil. I definitely got to try this. It smells good. What it got in here? Does it say on the back? Y'all know they're wrong for this writing too little. I can't see it, but I'll let y'all know how this goes. It's a stress reliever, 100% natural hair oil. Okay? I haven't tried none of this stuff yet, but the crease release, the spray stuff. And then what else we have? Oh, we have this right here. It's a scarf, and it has a pocket. It's a pocket scarf. I'm trying to see how this gonna work. This by Beyond Yoga. How this? I gotta see how this work, y'all, cause I don't know. It say a pocket scarf. Oh, this is the label that it has on it. Y'all can see it. And then, I don't know. They said Pocket Infinity Scarf. If anybody know about this right here, let me know in the description box below, because I don't know. I'm going to figure it out though. But this came in, it's very good quality, y'all. It's real thick. And then we have, oh, I love this and I'm ready to use this. I was waiting to do this video so I can go ahead and use this. It came in this box, of course. Okay, well packaged. It is, what is this? Mason jar hydration kit. And it has, this is how it is made. Look at that, y'all. Ain't that gorgeous? Oh my God. My pastor, she gonna go crazy over this right here. And my sister, right here. Oh my God. Y'all, it's so much good quality. It's like glass. Oh, I'm using this today when I use it in church, y'all. Yes. Get me some juice or some water or some tea, something. Okay, okay. All right, and then the last but not least, because of course I didn't show y'all the box. Look, it's crazy. Let me kind of hide my, I don't know why they put it right here on the front of the box. That's how it looks, y'all. That's how the box looks. Okay, okay. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. Girl, this is good quality. Oh my Lord. Y'all, oh, this is so cute. It's not too big. Look at this. Ain't that cute? It's from Bouquier, New York. Bouquier. If I said it wrong, y'all tell me. But yeah, it's got good quality, y'all. Look at the inside. It's got a zipper right here. Oh wait, do it got pockets on it? No, it don't have a, plus it's got the inside. I could put like a little divider in there. And then it has the 2 pockets on the front. That would make it so cute. And then you can carry it on your back. Cause see, I'm into crossbody purses and stuff now because I don't like carrying the big purses anymore. So y'all, this is all in my FabFitFun box. And guys, if y'all want the box, it is $49.99 seasonal. And then you got annual, it's $179.99. So if you want it that long, that much, look, no, $49.99, and that's a month, okay? So yeah, so just check FabFitFun out, guys. I love it. I'm in love with it. I haven't not liked what I got in the box yet, okay? And plus, you can add on and put in what you want in the box too. All right, guys. Like I always say, when there's an event, I got some content. And guys, guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
It's time to get those lips glossy, gleaming.